Here we go on the guided tour of Fun Factory. Here we go, through the main venue. Hello Nikki, you're not there at the moment. What fun we have. Luck in the park, days out, time in there. We'll start off with the nice little fancy dress area. A bit of a Star Wars character, sweet, and all the princess dresses the boys love to dress up in. Little baby area. Little homely area. Nice sofas for the mums and dads to sit down on. House for the kids to climb in and on. Here we go, Noah's Ark. This week we're having a bit of a theme to Fun Factory, Noah's Ark. We go back to the monster Goliath slide. And the motorbikes. And the talking Tigger. Nice cars. The Connect 4 looks like a bit of a stalemate. Some tubes from the climbing. Whoa, that looks a bit dangerous. We go on to the baby area. Some bouncers. I could do with going for a little nap in one of these at the moment. Which one do I choose? That's this one. This is good. Strap your kid in, spin it around. Oh, and my little boy has been playing with a fireman's hat. And a couple more sofas, some lovely toilets, and cars. Then we go through to the second room. More stuff. This is so lucky these kids are. Noah's Ark, which we've been doing on Sundays. And at tables, there's a bouncy castle that isn't blown up yet. A couple of trampolines. There's the lovely lady that runs the show. And the craft area. And the puzzle area. Later on, this is used for snack time. And the all-important bar, where everyone gets a free drink when they come in. Gilgal Cafe, which serves specialty coffees, hot chocolates, fully loaded. And there's a lovely little sound booth just behind there, play some music. Taylor, can you give us a wave? Don't film you either. Okay, bye bye.